Today we will talk about how to download CSV file of your transactions and orders. Open buyucoin.com, go to the menu on top left corner and click on Orders tab. On the top right corner you will get an option of Export CSV. Click on that and you will get all your open completed order details on your email in CSV format. Then go on the History tab. Here also you will get an option of Export CSV on the top right corner. Click on that and you will get all your transaction details over your email in CSV format. Thanks for watching. Please go like the video and subscribe our BuyuCoin YouTube channel.